Located right in the heart of Mumbai city, Kurla is a major railway interchange bringing together the central and harbour lines of the Mumbai suburban railway network. Started in 1853, Kurla is one of the oldest railway stations in Indian history, presently generating an average traffic of between 10 to 15 lakh commuters daily, transiting through Mumbai's busiest railway station network. Frequented by local traders, businessmen, corporate employees from BKC and the general Mumbai public at large, Kurla railway station is a major transit for working Mumbaikars since the past 165 years. In close proximity to the central business district of BKC and Kurla West, East Point Market is virtually the retail hotspot of Kurla East and is conveniently positioned as the gateway to central Mumbai. The Kurla East Railway Station, upcoming Kurla Metro Junction, LTT, bus terminus and auto rickshaw stand are all within striking distance from this prime location. This location also provides quick and efficient transit to the eastern and western corridors of Mumbai through SCLR, Eastern Expressway and Western Expressway. It is right here and right outside Kurla East Railway Station that a landmark retail and commercial real estate project, East Point Market, has been constructed by the Goel Ganga Group. Hailed to be Mumbai's first organized transit-oriented development, located right outside a busy suburban railway station, the project is geared to serve diverse convenience needs and wants of transit-oriented shoppers. With a massive 120 feet wide access road and a staggering 320 feet glazed glass frontage, East Point Market boasts an awe-inspiring facade, adding a unique, contemporary character and charm to Kurla East with exceptionally high visibility and unparalleled accessibility. With every store displaying a floor-to-ceiling height of 13.5 feet to maximize shop front visibility, East Point Market consists of a basement level, a large ground floor level with multiple access points, and 4 higher levels. Each level is specially designed to adapt itself to accommodate diverse consumer needs. The ground and first floors are positioned to lease shops for convenience such as a salon, bank ATM, stationery shop, gift shop, tailor, quick service restaurants, fast food outlets, coffee shops, bakery and confectionery and specialty retail stores. The second floor is positioned to sell shops targeting the fast fashion, ethnic and accessories conscious shopper with stores selling western wear, garments, shoes, handbags, jewelry, watches, cosmetics and perfumes. The third floor is targeted to sell spaces for health and wellness clinics, diagnostic centers, specialty doctors, in addition to hosting a modern gym, relaxing spa and independent ownership offices. The fourth floor is targeted to sell spaces to education coaching classes and skill enhancement classes, making it highly convenient and economical for students to have access to quality education right outside Kurla East Station. East Point Market clearly stands out to meet the business requirements of any retailer or shop owner who desires to open or expand any retail or commercial business in Mumbai's hottest customer transit location at Kurla East. Besides, East Point Market is the only commercial building in Kurla East to date having two-wheeler parking, basement car parking, large loading and unloading bays, a dedicated goods lift, spacious passenger lifts and escalators to support quick circulation of transit-oriented shoppers in a clean, safe and secure air-conditioned shopping environment. East Point Market has arrived at Kurla East and is completely positioned as a retail gateway to transit-oriented shoppers. We now invite you to take this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to invest in the best possible transit-oriented development of Mumbai. Open your shops to lifelong flourishing trade and business in Kurla East. Call now to book your space today at 020-6767-0000 or walk into our second floor customer lounge at East Point Market outside Kurla East Railway Station.